Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to glue long hair using banana hair mask. What you don't know is that banana has these nutrients in it that helps to promote hair growth from the roots and make the hair shiny and curly anyhow you want it. So I'll be using 2 bananas. You can make use of 3 depending on your hair length. Bananas helps to make hair grow faster and I like using bananas. So I'll be mashing these 2 bananas. I'll be mashing the 2 bananas. You can use your hand to mash it, or you can use anything you have at home, or even a blender, depending on how you want it and what you have. Ingredients I'll be adding here is 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. If you don't know, this vinegar helps to promote hair growth and also make the hair shiny. After adding, the next ingredient is raw honey. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of raw honey to the banana I have. Then the next ingredient is coconut oil. 1 or 2 teaspoons of coconut oil is okay. So after adding these ingredients, then you have to mix them well. Gently apply this remedy on your hair scalp. Use it all over your hair. Divide your hair into sections, then apply it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks.